Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the full review of a car that beautifully blends nostalgia with modern engineering, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This is not just a name revival, it's a reimagination of one of the most beloved VW icons of the 20th century. With its curvaceous design, modern powertrains, and impressive tech features, the new Karmann Ghia proves that retro can be redefined with purpose. The first impression of the 2026 Karmann Ghia starts with its exterior, which is nothing short of stunning. Volkswagen has done a fantastic job retaining the original Ghia's classic silhouette, low-slung, round-fendered, and flowing with smooth curves from nose to tail. The front end features slim, swept-back LED headlights embedded in subtly flared fenders, and the front grille is minimal, clean, and elegantly sculpted into the body. There's no excessive chrome, but the finishing touches around the windows and wheels are tastefully done in polished aluminum, which adds a premium vintage feel. The hood line flows gracefully into the windshield, and the roofline arcs over with a coupe-style curve, falling into a rear deck that's slightly raised for aerodynamic benefit. At the back, the horizontal LED tail lamps sit just above a faux chrome bumper, giving the rear an unmistakably classic vibe with modern precision. Even the wheel options pay homage to vintage VW designs, with retro-styled alloys wrapped in low-profile performance tires. It's available in heritage color options like Glacier Mint, Solar Yellow, Cherry Red, and Glacier White, each paired with black or ivory roof choices that give a true two-tone look reminiscent of 1950s styling. Step inside the cabin and the mix of past and future continues. The interior of the 2026 Karmann Ghia is a bold statement in minimalism and elegance. A curved panoramic dash stretches across the front, housing a fully digital driver display and a sleek infotainment system that blends in almost invisibly when off. Volkswagen has made sure the interior isn't just tech-driven, but emotionally engaging. Classic touches like circular air vents, toggle-style switches, and analog-inspired digital gauges evoke memories of simpler motoring days. The seats are wrapped in premium eco-leather with contrasting piping, available in color combos like tan and ivory, or black with red stitching. The flat-bottom steering wheel is compact and well-weighted, with multifunction controls that don't clutter its retro look. You'll find ambient lighting subtly lining the dashboard and doors, customizable to different hues depending on your mood. Comfort-wise, the front seats are surprisingly roomy, offering power adjustability, heating, and lumbar support. Rear seats are more symbolic than functional, ideal for small bags or the occasional short trip with a passenger. The cargo space is split between a front trunk in the electric version and a modest rear compartment, offering practicality for daily use or weekend escapes. Under the hood, the Karmann Ghia offers two distinct driving experiences. The entry-level model is a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine mated with a mild hybrid system. This configuration produces around 185 horsepower and is paired with a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission. It's quick off the line, smooth in gear transitions, and extremely fuel-efficient, averaging about 38 miles per gallon in mixed driving conditions. The Ghia handles with balance and grace thanks to its low center of gravity and sport-tuned suspension. However, the real highlight is the electric variant, dubbed the Ghia E-Line. It features a single rear-mounted motor delivering 240 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. Power delivery is instant, making the E-Line feel zippy and agile. In both city traffic and open roads, the 0 to 60 time is just under 6 seconds, which is quite impressive for a car in this segment. The E-Line is powered by a 65 kWh battery pack, offering an estimated range of 280 miles on a full charge. DC fast charging support is included, capable of charging from 10 to 80% in just about 30 minutes using a 150 kilowatts charger. The regenerative braking system offers adjustable settings and helps extend range in stop-and-go conditions, making it efficient as well as engaging. On the road, the Karmann Ghia feels composed and confident. The ride is comfortable, even over rough surfaces, thanks to a well-calibrated suspension system that prioritizes balance between comfort and sportiness. Steering feedback is sharp, giving drivers a sense of control through corners and tight city streets. Noise insulation is excellent, especially in the EV version, which is nearly silent. The car feels lightweight but never flimsy, and it communicates well with the driver through turns and elevation changes. Volkswagen has also included its full suite of safety and driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with auto braking, and a smart parking system. These features elevate the daily usability of the Ghia without compromising its purest soul. As for pricing, the 2026 Karmann Ghia starts at around $34,000 for the turbo hybrid base model. Mid-range trims with more features and sportier suspension tunes sit near the $38,000 mark. The all-electric Ghia E line begins at approximately $42,000, with a fully loaded version crossing $49,000 depending on options and appearance packages. While that places it in competition with cars like the Mini Cooper SE and even some entry-level Tesla models, the Karmann Ghia stands out with its unique styling and a much stronger emotional appeal. To sum it all up, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is not just a car, it's a work of art reborn. It offers a stunning design that pays tribute to the original, an interior that balances simplicity with sophistication, modern powertrains that suit all types of drivers, and pricing that feels fair for what you get. It's a perfect blend of the old soul and the new spirit, making it one of the most exciting cars of the year. If you're looking for a compact coupe with charm, personality, and an electrifying future, the Karmann Ghia should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed reviews just like this one. See you in the next video.